Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are out and about, and today actually it's a Monday where we are right now, but apparently I brought a Kenyan content creator. Actually, you're going to see her face more in my videos and maybe meet her. Let her introduce herself.
Hi guys, I'm Susan and my channel's name is The Traveling Miss. Yeah. Follow me for dope content. And she also has really good content. I love her. She's such a nice person. Yeah. Thank you for inviting me to your village.
You're welcome.
Imagine, guys, she just met me yesterday and she trusts me in her village. What if I'm a robber? She will find out today.
Of course I know
she will find out.
I just feel like the traveling miss is a vibe.
Oh,
like,
thank you.
I feel like we connect so much in a lot of things.
Yes.
So when I met her, we just connected there and then.
It's true. And
can you imagine just met at Wade Maya's?
I know. And there were so many YouTubers and we just like linked up. And
the video is just down.
Yeah.
Guys, please check it out and please subscribe to our YouTube channels. Team Harriet, you know how we do it. Go and show our girls some love. Subscribe, like, share, and please don't forget to click on the notification bell so that every time I post a video, you're here with me.
Yeah, don't let all this beauty down, okay?
Don't let it down. And this is the outfit of the day.
Yay, looks so good.
So you guys, where I come from in my culture, when you have a visitor, you have to make sure your visitor is warmly welcome. And today the traveling miss, my friend from Kenya, is my visitor. So I had to make sure I prepare for her one of our staple foods in my village. And before doing that, I had to first make sure I go to the spring and fetch some water, and I went along with her. As you can see us there going to the spring. Guys, enjoy the video and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.
Village life. My friend also. Welcome to the village life, guys.
Slowly.
Oh, I look like I'm swimming.
The hustle is really it's not easy, you guys.
My knees are killing me.
I know.
Here we go.
Yeah. So you do it gently.
Okay.
And look for the clearer water.
Okay.
Yeah.
This jerry can is trying to float, you know. So you have to like force it to go inside.
It's not easy.
Send help.
So how is it? How is the experience so far?
It's good. I like it. I'm just wondering if I can find a Luo husband now.
Hey, my Luo friends, please apply. So right now I want to take the traveling miss at home, back home. Yes. We're going to carry our jerry cans. Yes. But please be strong because the Luo women are always strong. Whenever it rains.
My sandals.
Actually, the one that is not so friendly in Uganda.
Yeah, because it's
rainy season.
It rains a lot.
Yeah.
This is good. It doesn't rain as much in Kenya, so it's good that it rains a lot. We are praying for rain back in Kenya.
And rain is a blessing. Especially to farmers now they're so happy. You know?
Where is the help that I asked for?
Someone needs help, by the way. Team Harry, should you give her some help?
If I have to do this every day for that Ugandan husband, I don't want him anymore.
Really?
No, for what? If he's not coming to be the one fetching.
But also those Ugandan men want women that are very strong. Then how will you survive in Uganda? And you've told me you want a Luo man.
No.
Luo men always love strong women.
Not anymore. If I have to do this every day. Not anymore. Thank you guys. I'm not single anymore. I have found the Lord. I have found the Lord. Guys, we're going to fetch some firewood.
Yay!
To cook the what was the name? I forgot. What's the name of the food?
The food.
Yeah.
It's, millet flour mixed with cassava flour.
And so after fetching water from the spring, I had to go ahead and take the traveling mist along with me so that we can fetch some firewood that we are going to be using at home for cooking our food. And today's food we are going to be having kalo. Let me know how you call kalo in your language. Sometimes they call it ugali. Yeah, so we are going to be having cassava flour mixed with millet flour. And the sauce of today we are going to be having gobe, which are the greens mixed with lime, as you're going to be seeing it. So please guys, stick up to the end of this video. Enjoy the video.
So here, when you're breaking our firewood, in case you don't use that axe, you use your knee to break it. This is how we do it.
Okay.
Right?
I injured this one.
Yeah, be careful. Be careful.
Superwoman.
So that's what you do. So
Actually, it's not that hard because they're dry. They're
Yeah.
dry, so it's not hard to do.
yeah. So we're going to use this to light our fire. So you guys come with us as I teach the traveling myth.
The village life. The village life in Uganda. Sure.
So you can maybe sit
Okay,
there.
let me stand here.
You can stand there. So be careful so the fire doesn't like burn you.
Also, you're going to burn your fingers.
I'm very careful. I'm used to this.
So,
Make sure put it down so that this
the firewood on top can
Yes.
catch the fire. Okay.
This one here, like this.
Maybe you can use the one on the
And
ends
add-
like this.
Yeah.
They will catch fire as much.
That. And now we're waiting for our fire.
Okay.
Right, you can show them. Yeah, so that is how you make your fire here.
Okay.
I think it's now catching up, you guys are seeing.
Okay.
So this is how you do it.
Oh yeah, it's lighting already.
So after lighting my fire, the traveling miss and my sister went ahead to help me prepare to cut the greens into pieces like the way they were doing it here. And today's sauce we are going to be having gobe. Kindly let me know how you call gobe in your language. And for us here in my culture, we love eating this kind of sauce, and it is one of my staple sauces that we have here in my village. So this is how you do it with your hands. Most of the time we use our hands to cut the gobe. Even though you don't use a knife, you can as well use your hands. And we are going to also be mixing it with lime that you see right there. Lime makes the sauce to be slimy, as you'll be seeing it at the end. And then we shall also try to put some ginger paste to paste it, because most of the time in my village we don't like frying our sauces, so most of the time we paste it, as you'll be seeing it in the video. Leave a sweet comment for your girl. So I went ahead and put water to first boil. The first thing you do is put some hot water in the saucepan, and then you put it on fire, and this is what I was doing for it to first boil. Then you put in your gobe before you put in your lime, because lime is the last thing that we put in to make the sauce slimy, and the ginger paste as you'll be seeing it. So right here I was trying to cook my water, and then I add in the greens. So before putting our greens in hot water, we went ahead to first wash them, and then we put them in hot water. And this is the gobe. Kindly let me know how you call gobe in your language. And after we had to place them in the hot water so that they can start boiling, and then we also had to add the lime into it to make it slimy, as you'll be seeing the whole process. But for the lime, you don't wash it, as you'll be seeing it here. Enjoy the video. So after adding in the gobe and the lime, I had to go ahead and put in more firewood so that we can have enough fire for our sauce to boil very well, as you'll be seeing it in the video. But please guys, let me know what you think of this video, and watch the video up to the end.
Friends, I see it's turning to be slimy right now, like this. Are you seeing? Yeah, so you guys, I'll see you when I'm adding in the ginat paste. Stay tuned. So after making sure that our gobe and the lime is fully cooked, I had to go ahead and get our ginat paste, but this is the one that is already made. Let me know how you call ginat paste in your language, but for us you can as well even call it odi. So I went ahead and poured it in this bowl so that I can now try to mix it and put it in the already prepared gobe and the lime, as you'll be seeing the whole process. Yeah. So after, I had to go ahead and get the sauce and then try to also pour some small soup in the ginat paste so that I can mix it and then I can put it in my gobe, as you'll be seeing the whole process, guys. Enjoy the video.
Some small. Okay. I made a mess.
Like that.
And then mix.
Put this back on fire. Then you mix gently.
Mix, yeah.
Yeah, gently.
Gently.
Yeah.
Okay. Mix. This is back on the fire now.
Yes.
So I'm mixing the soup from the. Am I too gentle or should I do it faster?
No. Do it like this.
Oh.
Like this. So you guys, I'm really sorry for not filming for you the last part when I was cooking the ugali and when we were eating the food. It's because it was already late and it was already night. That's why I couldn't film the last parts, but hope you enjoy the video and thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you for supporting me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.